Hello everyone. I bought this flute around 2 to 3 years earlier, but I have not used it. I thought I would be learning, but I could not learn it yet. So I will try if I would get chance to learn it. So let me show you. It will be showing some of the dust. I bought it 2-3 year earlier. So let me open it. There is a good case and solid as well. There is a pocket. This is cleaning cloth. These are gloves, and these are small things. I think this is paste or something like that. Seem like this. There is one screwdriver. Let's open the main product. And this is plastic stick. I think it would be for cleaning purpose. There are some these hooks like that. I opened it when I bought it around 2-3 years earlier, and now opening it again. So it's lying like this one only. The steel is very good and very shining. So let's try to install it. Yes. So it is the front part and it's the end part. So I still don't know how to use it. So the built-in quality is very good, and it's there is a weight as well, but it's the comfortable weight, not too much heavy and not too much light like this. And there is a brand name Glory printed on this. Finishing is very nice. So I am not aware how to use this. So this is the test only, and just unboxing about this product once again. So even I'm not sure if this has been configured correctly or not. We can move it here to there like this. I think this is the flexible to move here, and this can be adjusted like that. So this is good at least. Once I would get chance to learn it, I will do. but it seems very nice and pleasing. At least I have one instrument, music instrument, which I can say, so that is this one. Thank you very much for watching the video.